let's go over the schema data. When you go to the landing page generator settings, you find a little tab here called schema. And schema data is basically data that's easily crawlable for Google. It's already in a format that Google is looking for, and therefore it can index that kind of data very easily and let visitors of Google search through it. As you can see, by default we have all the schema options enabled, and if we go to a landing page, like for example the Utica, Michigan landing page, and we'll take a look into the source code and then search for schema down here, you can see there's already a good amount of schema data that's basically automatically taken from the settings of the plugin and from the configuration of the landing page, and then displayed here for Google to be able to crawl through. But we can also extend this kind of data by just going back here and hitting the company info tab. So, and here you all you got to do is fill out this little form here, and this will then be taken over by the schema data. So let's just do that. Fill something. Oops. And let's add a company logo that's also for Google and will be displayed in the search results. So we add a logo and then maybe an image of your office space, something like that. And maybe some business related links, like your Facebook or anything like that. So in this instance I'll just write something, some demo content here. And lastly, it's always a good idea to fill in the business hours, as they can also be crawled by Google. So, and let me just add this to every field here. Or maybe you open longer. Okay, and then all we gotta do is hit Save Changes. Then we can go back to the source code of the landing page of Utica, Michigan, and just hit the refresh button. And as you can see, now our schema data contains a lot more information, like the company name, the phone number, email. It links to the logos, the image of the office, and the address. And one other thing you can do, let's say you had multiple branches of your office, and let's say you have multiple branches in multiple states of the country, or even in multiple counties in the same state. What you can also do with this plugin is just go into the location settings here, click on the country, click on the state, and let's see, here's the county that we've activated. Sorry, let me go back actually. And then here, all you gotta do is click the edit link next to the county, and this then lets you fill in a local office address. So let's say we live on Washington Road or something in the city of Utica, the zip code of 5. That's basically, that looks good. Let's Let's hit Save Changes. So now automatically every landing page that's inside of this county will, instead of using the generic address that we filled in, it will replace this generic address with a more location-specific address that we just filled in for the county. So if I hit refresh again, you can see here now it replaced all this with the county-specific address and information. So if we would now activate a landing page, or create a landing page for location that's outside of this county, then it would just fall back again to the more generic information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.